Splendour Splash 2024. Powered by Praise L Schools.
City of the world, causing a sense of curiosity and wonder. Quantitative reading is the fact of reasoning. Social studies remind us of the importance of the empathy, kindness, understanding in building a better world. Literacy is the key of unlocking any student adventures, filling our imagination. History teaches us about the past, shaping our future and our present. Look at what I've painted. Vocational studies equips us with essential skills for life, empowering us to become independent and resourceful. Look at what I planted. Music is not just notes on a page. It is a language that transcends boundaries. Can you play this song with me? Dear parents, no subject is more important than the other. All are important in our educational growth and development. Therefore, we parents and learners should stop laying emphasis on one or two subjects and not mindful of the others. Learners are gifted differently, so it is important that a child's area of strength and interest is discovered and nurtured, rather than forcing our young children to be who they are not wired to be. Thank you.
Splendour Splash 2024. Powered by Praise L Schools.